Hey, this is Fred Van Allen, First Team Real Estate Christie's. Please come on by and say hi at this great open house I have today. We're at 615 East Columbia, Lincoln Park Historic District adjacent, about 300 feet away from the historic district, but this is one of these great historic homes in Pomona. Sidewalks, street lights, a really cool front yard. It's got this fun wrap-around porch. I know the neighbors here real well. They're great people. They love hanging out in their front yard. They've got a Pomona Free Public Library in their front, but that's the neighbor's house. This is the house here that we have open today. 615 East Columbia in Pomona, two-story Craftsman Bungalow, new roof, avocado tree, 3-bedroom, 2-bath, although the public records call it 4-bedroom. I'm not gonna go that direction because it could be a bedroom, but come on in and see, and I'll show you what I mean. I'd rather call it an office or a family room. Is this not the best front door you've ever seen in your life? Is that cool or what? Look at all these gorgeous windows. Looks like most of them have old original glass in them still. Big covered front porch here. The neighbors say they love their neighborhood. Price is $520. Let's go on inside and have a look. Hey John, how you doing? Place is just gorgeous. Another shot of those windows, front door. Look at these leaded built-ins dividing the dining room from the living room. And we have a fireplace here in the living room. Little kick-out area right here in the living room also. Pocket doors, of course. And this is the room that's called the 4th bedroom. According to public records, there's the closet. But it just seems a little strange to be a bedroom when it's got the stairway to the upstairs right in the middle of the bedroom. So it looks to me it's more like an office, a den, a studio. Because it's got built-ins, library style area. Look at this great bench with the storage underneath. What you see back in the backyard right there is where you can put a pool if you want. They used to have it lined with the pool, so you can see it's a really big yard. Let's wander on into the kitchen. Really large kitchen. Is this Greg or what? Hey Donna. Of course the kitchen's been totally updated, but it's still got that really old vintage feel and flair to it. Now we're wandering into the dining room. We've got more of these seats with storage underneath. Fantastic built-ins. Hey Terry. Look at that glass, look at these windows, look at these built-ins, look at this newly finished floor. Quite the house, the coffered ceiling. And here in the back we have a indoor laundry room and a downstairs bathroom. See, it's ample sized laundry room. And we've got the bathroom, 3/4 bath. Fully modernized 3/4 bath. With shower, sink, newer floor, laminate floor here in the laundry room, laminate in the kitchen, but the rest of the house is all original floors. Completely refinished downstairs, by the way. Price is $520,000. If this was in Pasadena or Altadena or Sierra Madre, it would be a gazillion dollars. Going upstairs, the stairway still has the original finish. And the upstairs bathroom has been remodeled. It's got a fantastic, fun clawfoot tub, lots of light. It has a laundry chute. Now, is that fun? Look at these cabinets here. 3 bedroom, 2 bath. Public records call it 4 bedroom and 1, but it's actually 3 and 2. Living room, study, outdoor sleeping porch. Hey Eric, how you doing? Look at this big fun walk-in closet here that's got a window in it for extra light. Look at the fun hardware on the doors. Linen closet. Another bedroom with an outdoor open sleeping porch. This is the sleeping porch outside for those hot days if you want to just get out and relax. Right here, back there is a lots of storage area. Closed up right now. Another large walk-in closet. And last of all, the last bedroom. It's got its own built-ins in the bedroom. Hey, Susie. And another fun walk-in closet with the window. Look at the little imperfection in that window there. I love those old windows. They got the little rollies and the little thises and the that's and the... And from here you can see the garage, 1-car garage. It's got its own alley shared with one other house. And it comes right off of the street. And if you can see to the left or to the north of the garage, that little dirt area, that belongs to this house. So you have additional parking for a boat or an RV. And this could be a pool down there. Just throw a liner in there and you got yourself a pool. Got a brick deck down there. So come on by, share this video please. Tell your friends this is a fantastic house, $520,000. 3 bedroom, 2 bath, family room. A great, great, great property for those who are looking for something with some size, both yard and square footage wise. This is Fred Van Allen, First Team Real Estate Christie's. Checking out. If you have any real estate questions, please reach out to me at 909-261-9711. Take care.